You want to talk plants?
Early August, here together with cup plant, Silphium perfoliatum, plant family Asteraceae, or Asteraceae, also known as compositae, a stout herbaceous perennial surviving winter through an extensive taproot system and shallow rhizomes, creating clonal colonies. Cup plant grows 1 to 2.5 meters tall, naturally occurring on prairies and meadows, thickets and open woodlands along roadsides, railroads, and streambanks. Its square or quadrangular stem in cross section sets it apart from the other species in the genus Silphium. The genus name Silphium comes from the Greek name from an ancient plant, Silphium, a Mediterranean plant used for seasoning, fragrance, medicine, and anti-conceptional. A very important plant to the ancient world, and one of the few plants depicted on a coin. So important that it is now extinct due to over-harvesting. Hopefully a lesson and remembering to preserve a species for the future as well. There is a chance that this plant still survive in some areas of the Middle East. The North American present-day Silphium plant species are tall with yellow flowers, reminding of the ancient plant. Most of them are also called rosin weeds, having resins similar to the ancient plant Silphium. Leaves are opposite, oval triangular, clasping perfoliate of about 10 to 30 centimeters long, with toothed margins. The specific epithet perfoliatum refers to its leaves that look like are perforated by the stem. That also gives it its common name, cup plant. Its fused leaves will store water. July through September, cup plant produces numerous head inflorescences of about 5 to 8 centimeters in diameter, with bright yellow ray flowers and darker yellow disc flowers. These central disc flowers are fertile, producing numerous achenes, a type of indehiscent dry fruit, in which the fruit wall is not attached to the seed, similar to the sunflower seeds when in shell. Native to Central and Eastern North America, Silphium perfoliatum is also cultivated now throughout Europe, mostly as an energy crop plant. Its very low demands on soil and climate, its very tough resistance to frost, drought, and herbivory, and production of a large amount of biomass every year without the need of being replanted, being perennial, making a great option for an energy crop plant. But it can become invasive, and it is even considered invasive in some parts of North America, where it is native to. Native Americans used to cut the top of the plants and collect the resins, and use it as chewing gum and breath freshener. Extracts from the powdered rhizomes or leaves were used to alleviate a variety of symptoms, including fevers, dry cough, asthma, and more. Recent studies show support in potentially lowering cholesterol and triglyceride blood levels, stimulating bile production and release, and even stimulating the production of antibodies, which means additional studies are needed to support the potential medicinal uses of Silphium perfoliatum. Silphium perfoliatum multiplies easily both vegetatively through an extensive taproot system and shallow rhizomes, as well as sexually producing a numerous amount of seeds. We're not invasive. Silphium perfoliatum is a great addition to a prairie native habitat, offering early greens for herbivores, food for a variety of pollinators with a rather long blooming period of about 8 weeks, followed by seeds, a great food for birds, and a favorite of goldfinches. Their dense colonies create great bird habitat, offering shelter, food, and water. If you live in its native range, Central and Eastern North America, this is another species to cheer up your summer and attract more wildlife, Silphium perfoliatum.